Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will share best way to earn passive income. Let's start.
3, 2, 1.
There are many ways to earn passive income. Here are some fantastic ideas to earn. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks distribute a portion of the company's earnings to investors on a regular basis. A dividend is a share of a company's profits distributed to shareholders as either stock or cash, usually paid quarterly, like a bonus to investors. Investing in stocks that pay dividends can provide a steady stream of passive income. Number 2. Rental properties. Purchasing properties to earn a rental income is another way to build passive income. Long-term rentals can provide a reliable source of cash if they are located in a healthy market for renters, but they also carry long-term stresses, like maintaining those properties, as well as paying multiple mortgages, property tax bills, and other costs. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms can generate passive income through interest on loans. Number 4. Bonds. Investing in bonds can provide a steady stream of passive income through interest payments. Number 5. Real estate investment trusts. Investing in REITs can provide a passive income through real estate investments. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn passive income by promoting products and services through affiliate marketing programs. Number 7. Digital products. Create and sell digital products, such as e-books, courses, and software, for passive income. Number 8. Royalties. Earn passive income through royalties by licensing your creative works, such as music, writing, or photography. Number 9. Online advertising. Place ads on your website or blog and earn passive income through clicks or impressions. Number 10. Network marketing. Participate in network marketing programs and earn passive income through commissions on sales made by your network. Note that these methods can require initial investment, time, and effort to set up, and may come with varying levels of risk and reward. It's important to do thorough research and seek professional advice before investing in any passive income stream. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment.